Hey everyone, want to give a shout out to our newest sponsor, American Authority. Just got this package in today. Just tear it open. Take out the contents. Oh, nice. Some decals to rep on the vehicle, on the Mustang. Okay. You take that apart. All right, go ahead, Caden. Tear that out. Goes under?
Yeah.
You got it, you got it. Let's check that out. You take that one off. Give me the paper. DM adhesive backing. Oh, look at that. Show it to the camera. This is the new turbo badge, grill badge, deck lid badge. Now, for those that are not familiar with this, basically we have the EcoBoost 2.3 turbo badge from X-Badger, and so this is their updated version. Look at that, it's amazing. And what else do you have on that one? And there it is. So American Authority was very generous in sending us two versions, the black and the red. Which one did you choose, Caden?
I chose the red.
You chose the red one, yeah. Let's put them up next to the other badge that we have. And again, this is an EcoBoost. It's not a GT. We're not putting any GT 350 emblems. That's the black one. And there's the red one. These are anodized and they look awesome. So Caden chose the red one, and American Authority was generous enough to send us both. Thank you again. So, see the back of that badge? X-Badger, xbadger.com. So what do you think? They look cool? Yeah. Well, again, I want to thank American Authority for their sponsorship. We'll be putting that badge on here shortly, snapping some pics, sharing with you guys. And we can't wait till the car show season starts up again. We're definitely missing our car show fix. And again, I want to thank American Authority for their sponsorship. Check out their graphics. Putting that on as well. Kaden, you got anything to say?
Thank you for the support, and I can't wait to see them on.
There you have it, guys. So we'll be putting those on here soon and snapping some pics and sharing them with you. Thanks again, guys. Take care.